go ahead, turn the volume up because I'm about to drop my secret for traveling the world these past 4 years without paying rent or mortgage and staying at beautiful accommodations. Are you ready? It's called Trusted Housesitters. This platform is global, and this is how I search for beautiful beachfront properties where, in exchange for services, for accommodations, I can stay without paying rent. Some of these are long term, some of them are shorter term. And of course, if you're going to do this full time, then you need a strategy so that you can discover the right house sits, apply for them effectively, and get approved. Yes, it does cost you some money to become a member, but listen, for the price of a good hotel for one night, you could be staying someplace like this, looking after a cat. Who can't do that? Look at the view here. And I stand by what I've said in the past. I believe the state of Washington is ripe for the right house sitter to take advantage of a particular area. Look at the beauty of this particular house sit. This is one that I would investigate personally if I was looking to house sit in the state of Washington. I mean, you need to go through and review everything, including the responsibilities. Are you capable of taking care of this pet? In addition to the responsibilities, you also need to know about the house. Where is it located? What will you have to do? What comes with this sit? Some sits, if you don't know it, they come with the use of a vehicle. Like when I was in Honduras for 40 long days, I had a car to drive at my disposal every single day. You have to count all of this as savings, right? Because if I were traveling, I would have to rent a car or I'd have to get around on a Grab. So let's see what else might be available. And this is, as of this posting, some of the opportunities that are available if you are only looking for beachfront sits. Now, of course, you can set your filters for anything that you want. Here's another one that I paid attention to, because for 2 cats in San Diego, do you know how expensive it is to stay in California? Make sure that you look at their sitters' reviews. This is your best indication, first of all, as to whether or not someone will welcome a woman of color into their home. And as you could see, one of those reviews was done by a Black woman. So what responsibilities do you have? Not a lot. To get views like this overnight, come on, y'all. You playing with yourself right now. Make sure you check out Trusted House Sitters.